In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make better cakes and pies here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to collect a good amount of zombies and place them into the mixer. That's really the full process of getting ingredients is those zombies. It's the first step. Once you have those zombies added to the mixer, you need to grab better ingredients from around the kitchen. There's going to be stuff like apples, tomatoes, and meat. And then you just got to try adding stronger ingredients together instead of just using basic items. For example, you can mix like, 2 apples, 2 tomatoes, and 2 pieces of meat, right? If you put all of that into a mixer and activate it, the quality and the value of the cake or pie really just depends on the ingredients you use. So that one would be a little bit better. But if you use better items, you're going to have better cakes and better pies. What I'd recommend doing is keep testing different combinations just to see which ones sell for more. The ones that sell for more are the ones that you want to keep making. But after the mix is ready, just place the cake in the oven and let it bake. And once it's finished, serve it to the customers. Those better cakes, once again, will sell for a higher price and help you earn more money, which can in turn be used to either buy better ingredients or buy better guns, which will allow you to survive longer. That's the full process, though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.